All right. Yeah, if you want to come kind of closer. I don't know the rules. All right.
Just talk a little louder.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tammy Wedling. I am the Downtown Bethlehem Association Manager and extremely excited to be here with you guys today. This is such an exciting event. Anytime we have a ribbon cutting, I can honestly say it's exciting. It's great just to see your city growing or your districts growing. So congratulations for blooming in downtown Bethlehem and for planting your feet here. We cannot wait to watch you grow. On a personal note, I have worked with these three for many years in past lives and have watched them grow their brand to just such an amazingness, right? Like we're in this world where you guys are doing so much, so many brands, and you have such a household name with Domaci. It means home, right? And Angela, you are doing so many things and just growing and blossoming into a businesswoman, and just congratulations to the three of you. So, I'd like to actually start with some recognition here today. We do have some really exciting people joining us. First, I'd like to recognize Megan Best, representing Congresswoman Susan Wild's office.
Hi everyone, Congresswoman Susan Wild in Washington, D.C. working this week, so she wishes that she could be here with you to celebrate this really happy occasion in Pennsylvania's 7th Congressional District. She loves Bethlehem, she loves your businesses, she can't grow plants because back and forth from D.C. to her home here in Pennsylvania, so I know that she would love your business and can't wait to see it. I've sent her pictures of everything that you've posted. I can't wait to get it and take a look. So on behalf of Congresswoman Susan Wild, I want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, next from the city of Bethlehem, the mayor's office, Stephanie Agello.
So the mayor unfortunately is unable to attend. He had a conflict with this today, but he sends sincere appreciation for your investment into our community, especially downtown, and especially during the COVID pandemic. Opening up a business is definitely a big feat. So Main Street, as you know, is the heart of our downtown, and he thanks you for your faith in Bethlehem, and he wishes you all the best with your new side job. And he has a proclamation for you. If you want me to read it or just present it, it's up to you.
Thank you.
All right, so on the occasion of the grand opening of Plants and Vintage, the ultimate green shopping experience, from Steel City Plant Company's pet-friendly, already potted houseplants and all things necessary to excel at plant parenthood, to Domaci Flea's vintage from outdoor, one-of-a-kind treasures and sustainably sourced furniture. Their curated offerings will help you improve your relationship with plants. On behalf of the residents of the city of Bethlehem, we wish Plants and Vintage every good fortune and hope for a prosperous future in the home at 551 Main Street. Sincerely, Robert Dodges.
Some other recognition, people that are here with us today. Former Bethlehem Mayor John Callahan is with us.
Congratulations, Ann.
Thank you.
Also, Neville Gardner, Chair of the Downtown Bethlehem Association, is with us. Oh, Kristen Schaefer from the Bethlehem Chamber is with us today, Chair of the Bethlehem Chamber. And Frank Fasciano, COO of the Greater Lehigh Valley Chamber of Commerce.
Super weird.
All right. Yes. All right. So next, we're going to bring up Danielle Joseph, Executive Vice President of the Diversities Council at the Greater Lehigh Valley Chamber of Commerce.
Hi everybody. Today is a super exciting day, not only because one of my dearest friends is opening a business, making us all very proud, but on behalf of the Diversity Councils, it's always wonderful to see a new women-owned business, a new diverse-owned business added to Main Street. So I want to wish you all the luck and congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.
And first up, we're going to bring Miss Angela Del Grasso from Steel City Plant Company. Woo!
prepared to be on the other side of a ribbon cutting. I will say that. I'm usually the one planning them. So thank you for coming out. First and foremost, I want to thank my family. They're all here today. You have just been here every step of the way, from making things, building things, potting things. So thank you all. It wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you to my chamber family that's here. So many of you, from staff to board members, volunteers, thank you for coming out today. And a really big thank you to the Downtown Bethlehem Association and the work that Tammy and Kelly do downtown, and Neville, under Neville's leadership, that you created an environment where a new business can open during a pandemic, and you made it a successful location to be able to do that here. So thank you for making it possible to even be here and get people here. So, without further ado, I want to thank Derek and Warren, who just are the most generous and passionate people that I think I've ever come across. And thank you for sharing this vision with me and bringing me along on your ride, because this is all you guys. This wouldn't have been here without you. You're pros at this point. So I want to pass it over to Warren to say a few words.
As Angie said, thank you everyone for coming. There's nowhere we would rather be than Bethlehem. I don't think our business could have succeeded as it has over the last 5-6 years anywhere else. So we're so happy to be here. Derek and I took a little break from COVID madness around August of last year, and decided to get away for just a couple of days safely where we could. And we went to Albany, New York, and we saw this amazing plant shop. And not that we didn't have enough to do already, but we're like, we need something like this in Bethlehem. And we came back and we were randomly talking to Angie at some point and mentioned what we had seen. And she's like, well, I want to open a plant shop. And so it kind of started from there, and it all happened very quickly. Fortunately, Angie got bored one night, looked at real estate, saw this space was available, and approached us, and it grew from there. A lot of people know Domaci for so many different things, and we're furniture, we're everyday essentials, we're vintage, and that got a little confusing in one space. So we've used the last 6 months, even before COVID, we kind of had plans to differentiate a little bit, but really now you've got a different shopping experience wherever you go, and we're happy that vintage has found a home here with plants, with our Domaci Flea. And again, thank you all for being here. I won't talk too long because I know some of you want to shop. So.
Now is the exciting part. You guys want to come up here? Let's get this ribbon cut. And you want to hold it here? Oh. Yeah. Do you want to come in? You get it.
Sure.
Anyone else want to come in?
Oh, yeah, you're good there. And we'll just pass you the scissors. Yeah, are we? I'll come over here. You can hold that there.
Stay in the middle.
We're going to have to control crowds just a little bit, so we'll let as many people upstairs as we can. There's a hallway. While you're waiting, Elle's Contemporary Closet just opened last week, so feel free to shop with her while you're waiting for us. And we're going to let about 10 people in at a time.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Congratulations. All right, let's shop. All right.
Good job.
Nice job, too.
Congratulations.
Thank you, too, guys. All right.
Yeah, just remember I'm live right now.
Oh, hi.
Good point.
Yeah. Oh,
Welcome to Plants and Vintage. Plants plus Vintage. Stash my coat.
so green.
Welcome in.
Thank
got just 1, 2.
I'm gonna head out.
Great.
I'm gonna switch off.
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you too. How you doing?
I'm wearing a floral tie, that, and I like vintage, so.
Awesome, awesome. Hey everyone, Tammy here from the Downtown Bethlehem Association. Thank you for joining us. Today's a really exciting day. Plants and Vintage is a new shop here in downtown Bethlehem, in historic downtown Bethlehem. I think George just took you up for a little bit of a tour. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Come on downtown. There's Elle's Contemporary Closet also just opened right across the hall in the Woolworth Building. So that's where we're at, right above Casa del Mofongo. I don't know if you guys have ever been here before, but their food's pretty amazing. So I think we're just gonna walk around downtown a little bit. You wanna go in?
Sure.
We can go in. I'll talk to you, Christian. You wanna say hi to Facebook Live? There's Christian. All right. So I don't know if you've ever been in here in Casa del Mofongo. This is my favorite place to eat. I love their food, their cuisine is amazing. Michael's here, the owner. We're just walking around. We're on Facebook Live.
How are you guys? Welcome.
I was just bragging about the food outside, so we thought we'd quick stop in.
Thank you.
All right. Well, we're going to keep on moving here, but it's good to see
Give
you.
me a text, all right?
All right, will do.
I need to send something up.
Sounds good? All right.
I'll talk to you guys.
Sounds great.
Take care. Thank you.
Take care. All right. So we are going to keep moving here. Where should we go next? Are there any comments? Anybody want us to
I can't really see this time. So.
Ah, I gotcha. All right. So as you can see. All right. You can walk down that way.
How are you doing? So tell us about Bethlehem Go Bra. What are we going to be doing?
Oh, so Bethlehem Go Bra, that's happening. It will be happening, what, next week? Next week, Bethlehem Go Bra. That will happen down here in the historic district. We've got 2 cocktail trails. We've got the elves. They were actually handed out today, so they're starting to be hidden around here, which is pretty cool. Our elves are happening. The Clever Clover scavenger hunt is happening as well. That is a pretty cool scavenger hunt. There's a whole bunch of things that you got to do, take pictures of in order to participate to win. You just need 6 photos to upload to our website, getdowntownbethlehem.com, for a chance to win. That's pretty much it. We will have some music happening, and we also have some other things happening too in our different spots. I know the visitor center is also going to be having some live entertainment. Donegal Square.
So it's not going to be like regular.
No, unfortunately, but we need to be safe. We need to look out for everybody and make sure that we're staying, as safe as possible. And if you could ever just come downtown and walk, I mean, it's the perfect place to go window shopping. Look at these beautiful windows. They're all decorated. Who wouldn't want to come down and walk downtown? Nice wide sidewalks. Lots of open air.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We couldn't be more excited for Plants and Vintage. You saw the shop. It is so cool in there. I cannot wait to go shopping. Yeah, so thank you. I guess that's it from downtown. It's gorgeous out. Come out. Good. No, not a cloud in sight. Bring your gloves, though, and if you don't have gloves, you can stop at various shops down here to get them.